Are you on the hunt for the absolute best gaming laptop under $2,500? Then buckle up, because what I'm about to show you isn't just good, it's a beast. Let me introduce you to the ASUS ROG Strix G18, a machine that doesn't just meet expectations, it blows right through them. And the best part, it's currently at its lowest price ever, just $2,054. That's not just a deal, that's a steal for the kind of performance this monster delivers. Now let's talk raw power. Under the hood, this machine is armed with an Intel Core i9-14900HX, 24 cores, 32 threads, and a blistering max turbo frequency of 5.8 GHz. This isn't just a mobile processor, it's a desktop-grade beast crammed in a laptop chassis. But the real star for gamers, the NVIDIA RTX 4070, packing 8 GB of VRAM. This GPU means business. At 1440p, it delivers smooth, immersive gameplay, and thanks to advanced features like DLSS 3 and frame generation, it punches far above its weight class. If you're chasing ultra settings in 4K, maybe look toward the RTX 4080, but for everything else, the 4070 handles it with ease. Let's get into real-world numbers. We're starting with the ultimate stress test, Cyberpunk 2077. Known for crippling weaker systems, this title is a benchmark for true performance. At native 2560 by 1600 resolution with ultra settings and ray tracing maxed out, you're looking at a stable 50 FPS. But activate DLSS and frame generation, two magic tricks exclusive to RTX 40 series cards, and you'll watch that number climb to around 70 FPS without sacrificing visual fidelity. And if you're craving even more frames, drop a few settings and the game still looks stunning. But what about competitive games where every frame counts? Let's start with Apex Legends. At max settings and QHD resolution, the Strix G18 flies past the 140 FPS mark, perfectly synced with the laptop's ultra-fast display. And then there's Valorant, a game that thrives on responsiveness. Here you're easily hitting 220 FPS at high settings, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition in every clutch moment. Speaking of the display, this isn't just any screen. It's a 1610 QHD panel with a 240Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time. That's professional grade speed and clarity. But it gets even better. With 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, this screen covers more colors than traditional sRGB panels. That means richer, deeper, more accurate color. Perfect, not just for gaming, but for photo editing, video production, or any creative workflow where precision matters. Now let's talk thermals. Unlike most laptops that use traditional thermal paste, the Strix G18 steps it up with liquid metal cooling. This keeps your CPU cooler even under heavy load and lets you squeeze out every bit of performance without throttling. Whether you're in the middle of a boss fight or rendering a 4K video, this laptop stays cool under pressure. Memory and storage, no corners cut here. You're getting 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is overkill for most games and ensures you're future-proofed. For storage, there's a 1TB PCIe SSD, fast and responsive, though modern game sizes might have you thinking about an upgrade sooner rather than later. Luckily, adding extra storage is simple, and I've included QR codes to help you find 1TB or 2TB options depending on your needs. So here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a top-tier gaming laptop under $2,500, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is the one to beat. At $2,054, it offers staggering performance, gorgeous visuals, and hardware that's built to last. Check the laptop on Amazon right now by scanning this QR code. If it's still under $2,500, don't hesitate. Grab it before it's gone. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!